Here is your Profit Briefing. I am Eleazar Bhatti for The Profit here in Lahore. The government of Pakistan has formed a committee to expedite CPEC projects, but more on this later. First, some business and economic stories that you should know. Italy has announced that it would provide 20.5 million euros to support economic transformation initiatives in Gilgit-Baltistan. Economic Affairs Division Secretary Noor Ahmed and Ambassador of Italy in Pakistan Stefano Pontecarvo signed an agreement in this regard on Thursday. Economic Affairs Minister Hamad Azhar was also present on the occasion. As per the details, the agreement is a 28-year facility with 10 years of grace period and 0% interest rate. Under the Economic Transformation Initiatives (ETI) program, the Italian government would provide infrastructural support, capacity building and technical assistance for the value chain of key agricultural products of Gilgit-Baltistan so that the rural communities of Gilgit-Baltistan are facilitated. The Economic Committee of the Cabinet (ECC) has constituted another committee to review cotton prices and keep abnormal hikes in check. Advisor to Prime Minister on Finance and Revenue Dr. Abdul Hafiz Sheikh on Thursday chaired a meeting of the Economic Committee of the Cabinet. The committee, on a summary presented by the Ministry of National Food Security and Research seeking minimum support price for cotton to protect the local farmers and encourage cotton cultivation in the country, decided to constitute a price review committee under the chair of the Prime Minister's Commerce Advisor. This committee would review and suggest the indicative price and other measures to be taken in case of abnormal fluctuations in the prices of cotton. The ministry also briefed the Economic Committee on the wheat situation in the country, saying that Pakistan Agricultural Storage and Services Corporation and provincial food departments had reported wheat stocks at the level of 7.519 million tons as on 2nd of August 2019, as compared to 11.183 million tons recorded in the corresponding period of the last year. Similarly, Pakistan Bureau of Statistics on 25th July 2019 had reported the local price of wheat and wheat flour at 362.6 rupees and 422.2 rupees per 10 kgs respectively, showing a decrease of 0.03% for wheat and 0.69% for wheat flour, as compared to the price in the second week of July 2019. Amid political noise and economic instability in the country, the KSE-100 index has dropped below the 30,000 mark, shedding some 540 points. Shortly after the commencement of the session on Thursday, the worst fear of Pakistan Stock Exchange investors became a reality when the KSE-100 index broke the 30,000 psychological mark. The index has not seen such levels during the last 4 years. At one point during the trading session, there was not even one script trading positively in the benchmark index. The only takeaway from the day remained the overall volumes, which crossed the 100 million mark for the first time since July 18th. As political noise increased, the KSE-100 index dropped 877.17 points to reach an intraday low of 29,400.28 points, a level last seen in 2014. The index then tried to stage a comeback, but the bears refrained it from doing so. It finally settled lower by 539.47 points at 29,737.98 points. All other indices also ended the day in the red zone. KSE All-Share Index was down 302.81 points, KMI 30 Index lost 897.28 points, while the KSE 30 Index dropped 285.20 points. Mutual funds continued with the selling spree again on Wednesday. The institutions were net sellers of $3.87 million. In the last 10 days, cumulative net selling from funds has touched $17.20 million. Gold prices have surged by another 550 rupees per tola, bringing the new prices at 86,800 rupees. The price of 24-karat gold jumped by 550 rupees and was traded at 86,800 rupees per tola as compared to the last closing of 86,250 rupees. The price of 10-gram gold also witnessed an increase of 472 rupees and was traded at 74,417 rupees as against 73,945 rupees of last day. The price of silver remained constant and was traded at 1,100 rupees per tola, while that of 10-gram silver was recorded at 943 rupees. In the international market, the price of per ounce gold soared by $5 and was traded at $1,500 as compared to the last closing of $1,495. Now back to our main story. The government of Pakistan has formed an authority to expedite CPEC projects, and has also approved the constitution of National Coastal Development Authority. The National Development Council, during a high-level meeting chaired by the Prime Minister Imran Khan, has made important decisions regarding the ongoing development projects, a private media outlet reported on Thursday. The meeting was attended by Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi, Chief of Army Staff General Qamar Javed Bajwa, Chief Ministers of Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Special Assistant on Information Firdaus Ashiq Awan, Commerce Advisor, Commander Southern Command and others. The participants of the meeting reviewed progress of various ongoing development projects, including Govt Master Plan and establishment of China-Pakistan Economic Corridor Authority. They also discussed matters related to KP-FATA merger and its development plans for the fiscal year 2019 and 20. A briefing was given to the Council's member on making improvements in security arrangements, border management and establishment of a state writ in Balochistan. This is your Profit Briefing. Thank you for joining us on the show today. For all the latest business, economic and financial news, visit www.profit.com.pk. This is Eleazar Bhatti for The Profit here in Lahore.